Yo, what's up guys? Andy here with another episode of Tap Lab, the best place for social media tips, tricks, and experiments. You already know, so hit that subscribe button. Today we're starting off on Instagram, and I'm going to show you how to get custom fonts to sort of customize anywhere with text on Instagram. So, first of all, let's swipe over here. Then I'm just going to go to my profile screen in the tab in the bottom right. So here's my profile. Pretty simple. My bio is pretty simple. I got a couple lines there. What you want to do is go to the App Store and you're going to download an app. This is going to be the easiest way. You don't have to sign up for this app or anything like that. You want to download an app called Good Fonts. This is the app right here on top. That's the app icon. And you just want to go ahead and download that. Next thing you're going to do is open up this app called Good Fonts. And then it's going to give you, well, it'll give you an ad because this is the free version. But just wait the 3 seconds and then click the X. So here is all of the options for fonts that you can get within Instagram. And you can use these on your profile and stuff like that, so it's pretty cool. So let's just go ahead and pick one right here. I think like mono and double are pretty cool. So let's pick double. And I'm just going to type in adventures. So there's the text in the bar on the top. So I'm just gonna double tap on that and then we're gonna copy it and we're gonna go back to Instagram. So here we are on my profile. I'm gonna hit the edit profile icon and then I'm gonna tap on the bio section. So here we are editing my bio. I'm just gonna delete that. Whoops. Let's get that back in there. Then we'll hit paste. So this is pasting in the adventures, the font, the text from the other app. Then we just want to hit done and hit done again. And you can see that it's replaced that text there. It now says adventures in the new font. So that's how you do it. You could of course replace all of this text. I just wanted to do adventures for this example. Let's pick this one and do photos. Select all of this. Copy, go to edit profile, edit bio, paste. So there we've edited the photos font, hit done again. And there's that. So this is just showing that you can use multiple of those styles. So it's really up to you to explore and change the font to whatever you want. I think it's pretty cool that you can customize these in any way that you want. You could mix and match and do whatever you want, get creative with it. Make something unique to your brand and your profile. And something like this is definitely going to help you stand out. And you should also be able to use these in comments and descriptions and things like that. So I'm just going to type very cool. You can also just hit copy text in the top right. I just saw that. So copy text. That should be copied now. Let's go to my photo. Add a comment. Very cool. Post. And there it is. So you can drop a comment in these fonts as well. See how that shows up. Shows up there on like the actual page too. So this is a dope way to stand out. You can use any of these fonts and characters to sort of mix and match what you want within your bios, within your descriptions, when you're commenting on other people's posts. And yeah, this is something that could really help you stand out on Instagram, help you grow your Instagram page. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Be sure to drop a comment down below. If you have any questions, I'll try and answer those. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for the best social media tips, tricks, and experiments out there. Also check out the Instagram playlist. It has hundreds of Instagram tutorials, how-tos, things like that. And of course, drop a like on this video. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.
Okay, don't blame your problems on the past. Go hard, go hard. Go hard, you might win. Don't blame your problems on the past, 'cause that'll make you come and last. So go hard.